Maging practical ka naman, huwag puro pangarap. Nasabihan ka na ba ng ganito? And sometimes when you're told to be practical, parang you feel like it's a dream killer. It's as if you're out of touch. Pero while it's true that we have to be practical, we shouldn't also let go of our dreams. In fact, if you think about it, pursuing your dream is the most practical thing because your dream excites you. Having a dream motivates you. Having a dream can be the reason why you rise up in the morning. We just have to redefine what practical is. It becomes impractical when your basic needs are not met in pursuit of your dreams. So we have to create that balance. Kasi di naman pwedeng wala ka na ring pangarap and you just live your life to exist. Kaya cover the practical things first. And with that, you have to do the things that you don't like. Things that are difficult. Things that are hard. Kasama sa trabaho yan. Then we can work towards a direction where you are able to do your passion. Where many of the things that you're doing is in your zone of competence. Kaya pray about it. Allow God to reveal to you the right path. Because pursuing a dream isn't actually easy. It can be frustrating at times. And you will come to a point where you will doubt yourself or even fail at the beginning. Pero push mo lang, build a good foundation to cover the practical needs and develop your dream on top of it. My prayer for you is to never stop dreaming and keep on working hard to reach your goals in life.